edienti ene nei ye kwawari a ye kwagin chirechire bebre efri ye papa nom asofo ho ye maame nom counselors ho edifo ho nanso awari no ye de yeti kohyemu a enche na egu usu se ya dibuo bi ayemu anaye ahomaso anaye sikasem ananso se eye nemu asem ananso se ye wiase afefede ananso ye ntiase ye na enye adwuma ewo baby epacho me ba ho
medase mesanso chia etiefo ni ahwefo ni na aware de ka emu nsem a
o camera ni ntino
se ka aware mu nsem de na eye asem afa ye nyina ye ho because obia fifie obia fie busuem obia wana obia we eja nanso mpem bebre no eya eja ne na no mpem bebre mu eya eja ne na no eche se omotenase eya awarefo na omowo de tete nkwala no eya entimi nwie saa inama bebre na sisi ntino ubehu se aware no enkodu saa na eja ne jai anase ena ne jai na beye ena ne eyi akwala no nkwabu anabe eja eni akwala ne nkwa Nya wo bi say bebre na sisi on se nimde akwanimu enti no bebre na be ware a omoba beje advice counseling ema ye kire omo se ni aware tie nanso on be komo no na enkodu endu bosome endu afe no bo awujai won say counseling ne de hu hia eye counseling ne de momo enti anomujai ende mpese obi ate ase enye counsel na de momo enti anomujai obeka se tete no kra no na ye nkonkoje enchechire bi enfa aware ho nanso ye maame ne papa ma aware no etimitimu ye ede echesi ye hu se sisi a na ye wo mu mememe ne edianim mememe no edianim nti nipa na okwakwa ware no enka ne de eye me ene mikunu nti mikunu yesi a misuma ese oba no so yesi ense be se nti etimi de ye bone de chen ho enye me nanso sisi a no akwaya mememe Intawari no be come no be back counseling. You be too for say was stages of marriage. Into first stage, affectionate romance. We be do the illusionment stage. After no be wini pakunu mistakes. We be do disentanglement stage. After no be say, hey, awari de minya anka min film. After no be sanso do stage be so no. So to meet name wa na hono commitment number and see a friendship stage. Stages wa awari mu. Nenso no. From stages. And me who say from romance in the film, na do disillusionment. I feel no when ni pakunu suban potena. Na send them into me. Okay. Na minim say na what here.
So from how many years? So who on warrior to kwani ade sese na wokan ya ate bi won mo beka sa warrior de wutimi tintim counselors na ni asofo bebre na muka awofo no kra bebre ka kire wutimi tintim e bia from 3 years going no and na afi no wo be hu say oh warrior ankasa etim person bisa say from 3 years going and now from 2 years and now from 1 year
one say make no romance no ejino obi aso obi o wa 2 years bo 1 year obi o wa a few months na romance na titi o mani so na afedo mu hu nipa kon na inform so pa because first na mo ncha dan tese bo okoda na eko sisi ado ni nipa kon na ete enti no eko 3 years 5 years no e ho pa na ye a wall true so wa warrior from 2-3 years 5 years no a disillusionment any entanglement enti so ma wa adwen anda ho wa anye mpai bofo na wa ma nkomodifo no ankoye counselor bi ankoye sofu bi na odekoye wadanfo on shede ni experience obi ono otufu bone a anase koye mememe ni dinkan a wo bejai.
Okay.
One say aware ne ye sumienu na aba. Ufifie a different house. No, we so from different family, different backgrounds near babeshia. Intimi nyese. Now why so we say it's a perfect institution with imperfect people. Yeah, wa mo bi eni ho yepe. But where institution ni there yepe. Intimi nyepe ni nti so nyepe. Inti I must learn to accept certain things of yours. But bebre na kom kakra bi pe na wejai no bi so ho a ye tudufu so ba counseling na menin kofobi ya counseling sikasemu ina ya kachrew we discuss about finance se be ma no woje sen oba ne je sen be mu na kane yehu se be ma na je kese a oba no so okay enti say se oba no so na je kese a hu ni se oba je sika kese bebre echen be ma wo be ma no anhwe bedu bebi na say be ma ye no eye into how do you manage it we educate all this so the engagement type no be ye yeah, what type of marriages, yeah, what traditional, you wear traditional and beam to make a court and beam yeah, sorry dear, you're Muslim for dear, yeah, discuss away na, then so be barbets now when him, no crank at chess or catcher or no buano no on country. No, but our feature, I shall know honso. O honso, which me a fear dear nipper a ye, me no me and sakit will be a wine tiasia, magic kit will be, Maka quad our say in a rather 2 months, some nanny, I met me and kakraka. Then so be or what. Na wakwa kope aban bosia wakwa kope bosia no de ahya ware no mu na ware ye komu no aware mu nsem wa ware mu na wakwa je bosia wo so wonim se wontimi ntua nta yesa na de nsem bebre na eba wakwa je owo bosia nta ware no wonim se osika wuji kwa maybe woje 2,000 na wakwaje fancy 50,000 o person ye decoration we ye ne kese obi ehu se wono no so no de kwa ware mu pe na akwaya asem interchesa asre wo hwon hu na odi nwin wubu ye omba de ye tu omofo into one major factor no kwa say sometimes finance sikasem eye major aspect e bo what I expected enye no na mebehu wo hu me no we ye se wo woni ama na odi car we ba na odi we ba mi ba ofi a nenso ne nsa ye laboro won no ne de nye chese nya
wodia wakọ he han
na wodi aye
ana wakọ
sresre no wakọ je bosia na odi abeware
okay nti memma no bebre na atimi kọ sresre ko boroboro ni ema e de beware ma omu ya no mo de kọ ema no so ka ho ana
ema ne ye obebu ho ani nanfufu odem no person hu ni say me so me level ni so ahwe sa level no nduye nti onu so bekwa kwaje bosia na odi akwa akoye ende ye twon na ma aware na ye basa because makwaji sika na me de abebo o se emfa ware bo amene entu a wusu ntimi ntua akafo oba decorators ebeje food vendors ebeje makeup eba beje ni na na eche distress no ato aware no so ba ware no ensem wom dada
okay
woni nipa no kwata wonim no enti ye bo se niama nkitin no nko be ye fi ho say when you look at your finances and take the type of marriage that will suit you but be na ntiase na wakwa ya endu na wotwe endu na nsa na wa enejai na oba betina social media on ka no kure na ewom no na wa ba be ye no tronka na nkofo zun say aware de enye aware ye but it's the people who are inside we are now becoming more selfish
na counselors here nsema wo kan nyina na chese say counselors ne ye papa sofo no no wo mo kirekyere yen ansa ne ye de eti awura ware enum but counselors na nkasa dodo na de enti wo mo ntimi kirekyere no ma ware amote hu bebre na enye bebre na ehihim bebre na egu nanso de mo mote hu na enye na egu na ehihim no eno ana yenye ba mudi tu yenfo mudi hye yenkura mudi kirekyere yen enti saa ne ma we nyina no wonji ndi se ebetimi agina so ama ware ye no wudi uti kokowura mu a enche eni na hinegu
yeah my main clarify way say a for counselor enye say edin hunu bi na chese wafa e de ato so you was certified counselors me amite me certified counselor my year me masters I was counseling psychology
for how many years mo for how many years
for masters you can do it 2 years and you were first degree degree in psychology. We bet me counseling psychology. Into psychology is having branches. Into our psychiatrists, we more a share pantine, a share nipadrim. Our clinical psychologists, on also bet me a mendro. Near our counseling psychologists, we use therapy. But we share Ghana, Ghana National Association of Psychology. Now, we say more lay counselors to be the least. Lay counselors here we suffer we obi a wusu nime you know ye do fan chechirem na de sabodi na ma na ya sanso ama opin certificate say we no wutumi practice say counselor
that is wo pesa wo kire say mi ntwawa no mpache wo pesa wo kire say counselors no ye de dodo na efa pantan yi ho no kan na ye me de
psychiatrist
na say ye de mokọ pantan akọrọ madwene mu na say
ye de ye fa entitiem
okay
nti obi wo ho a na wakọje counseling na bo no boso say no tutufu wo social media gina na so dem tutufu nti na de say oye counselors asimesi na nso na wonya counselor asimesi wo didi na ton ho so
so
onim kasa onim ti na one fantitiem counseling no we don't use our personal experience to advise to counsel people your counseling your advice It is when you come, it's professional.
Okay.
I give you theories. Yeah, warrior, yeah, difference. I imbume your family life.
Okay.
They are mental health, they crisis abuse. Into yeah, family life. No, yeah, two a warrior for relationship. A mateti and sanum. Into oba, me the theories in ebe chrow. And ya me ma warrior into obi odena warrior too for no. Now no anya counselor.
Okay, counselor perfect. Me pacho jina hey mama me nko me papa so me samba ho. Nyame nchira. Me papa wadaro me nidi mu a me pacho. Bre mu kakra mama. Esanse ne na mafo ya ware ni gududu. Me dia na dodo na misun se bi ho no ma eye busua enteteye. Bi ho so esika sem enamfo. Mpuku ya bono. Papa bre mu e mama kwadwenchire.
Oba mama pacho me ndika ndawase.
Nyame nchira papa. Na
minchia Masafo Mane kwesi.
Aye.
Glory Lamb Ministry International. Masafo Mane. Sof Mame Prophetess Noble Mrs. Sarah Sarisa Kodie. Na minchia Angel TV so ahwefo nyina.
That's it.
Wasem bi said nije so especially ebrewe mu. The key question is say the reason why marriage is at risk in this era. Just one thing. We just want to respect the originator and his laws. Mami, otoka na okotoka kanu nozzles bebre. Nozzles no baby o wa de oil negu. Baby o wa de nsuo enegu. Baby o ha ye de petrol and I say diesel enegu. Onipa na o ye car no, that is the manufacturer. Na o de book bi a ye friend no manual na or the Atari car no. If you really want to have the car, use the car, and for the car to serve you well, you have to obey the manual. Okay. So the manual no, when you pan our year car no, ni shisha or the two car no. So what the juma. But today, you see, we don't want to respect the manual governing marriage. Onyankupo no boy, you know, he is the source of marriage. He is the source of marriage. So okay, Genesis chapter 2, verse 18. Onyankopon who say Adam was alone, and it displeased God that man should be alone. And then God brought forth woman out of his ribs, and on the Eve a brain. And then Adam made the proclamatory statement, say, this is the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh. And because of the inner feeling, the desire which every man will desire, Adam laid it on all generation, that therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother and shall cleave unto the wife, and the two shall be one. Mommy, apart from that, our real no one in Shisha Bible, we are not against models. When I say models, talking about premarital counseling, postmarital counseling, etc. They are part of system. But when you look at Nyoba, Fapim or the two on a Fapim back on is saying, or say, therefore shall a man, or berry man a worry. Yakaso be a berry man, and you view, or can't mua a dog. It or say, therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother. So at a certain state, you have understood life. Okay. You are able to bear. You are able to handle situations, challenges. BBC or Bible or say, Edru baby na Samson, aka che ne papa ne maame se omo kope Obama no na onware. Na Samson maame ne papa eka ne ho na omo kọ akope Obama no. Omo dru baby na Samson papa ne maame di anim. Na Bible say jata eto hye Samson so. Abra ne papa ne maame kọ. Na Samson ne jata ne di siani na Samson ekun aboa no. Onim de ya me da wasem nim. O se Samson ku aboa no ye no. Otoa ne papa ne maame a wanka hwe ankyere om. We're talking about the spirit of endurance. And then my fire by intimi endure. Yeah, endure.
Say a DNT and a intimi endure.
And I make kabano. We are not able to endure because of social norms.
Okay.
Now social norms, it's in 4 categories. The first one is social construct. Obia yebi, efe, and ujaya warrior, or say a bufu. What to me for? Intimate. So social construct. Obako for the shas here. Obako for the shas you. Social construct. And or two needing social terminology. Ebi a baby mama. I'm not divorced. I'm baby mama. Me shame ba. That is social terminology. Now, when they are completing forms, they don't take divorce. They be mama. No trash or my work me share me ba. I'm not divorced because Bema won't even jam me and me free our renewal. And then it has moved from social construct to social terminology. Now social behavior.
Okay.
Social behavior and they say where you be, where you be, where you be. So what is the news?
Okay.
It was tenacia. Obenya obi diabo. O say no say me tikra say oni ni kunu tibium.
Okay.
And abedu the peak of its conduct, which is social movement.
Okay.
And now we see a friend of feminism.
Okay.
It is your queen of feminism, your captain of feminism. Woman the say. Very many didn't go asema catch and say, Massa, Masume also.
Okay.
I won't even be shame level. Just get out of the marriage.
Wow.
And then your social movement and yet a ma shia so divorced women atikuo. Oh, Mr. Counselor. Counselor, so away.
Atikuo.
Counselor, so away.
Na papa.
Oh, Counselor, ku Google nebo.
Papa, na just say uchire ma. E ma wo ma divorce.
E ma divorce atikuo.
E na mema nso so wo ma divorce. Omo so atikuo.
Mema no kwade omo ni sa kuo ni bi. Because mema do jai obe ware. E ma no na make on asem. O atikuo omo ye dinner. Ye buffet party end of year. Last year so omo ye bi.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
Last year so omo ye bi ma ja ware. Our form social movement.
No, ye ni je sem ma wo so ma ja ware no be join ku bi ana.
Lady Mitchell say. You see, the source of this attitude and conduct is because of social norms. Wow. And then nipa fa a foot free social media. Sinning so be free erade mu. Ade bi me de.
Me, Papa.
And when you see a woman who can maintain a marriage till their kingdom come, he doesn't joke with that.
Wow.
You see, the manual, the catalog that is enshrining marriage will tell a woman your husband is the head.
Okay.
Or baby also kwa warrior with him so many business him say train crowd with tea. Irrespective the length of the train. We need to free one. Okay. So the question is, okwa warrior na also okwa koye beri manu itato na wa yitrebe.
Enye yi papa.
Okwa warrior na wo see beri manu sebi enye to na wo yetire.
Dabi.
Ebe
na say papa o kan say so ampa cho ni di mu ai fa ba bi no nya adwenche so obi ho no ma be ma bi ho no ma okone mema dodo na ya ba no ye ni birisika to obi ho no ma no wo kwa kware wo ba no woni sika oni bibi di eno nti no the commander de be ma ni bia no papa I saw ye
me da wano ase
yes
entina say on say the terminology that is moving the man into marriage is opportunist.
Okay.
But we are talking in reality. Say your opportunist assembly
even say Obani Weska.
Yeah.
Now Bemane is being opportunist and he decides to marry you. Wo Obano, if you accept the man's proposal, one more when you under honor your opportunist now accept it, he becomes your head.
Oh.
That is the rule.
Okay.
The man becomes your head. In turn away your bar, you should be careful the man you accept to be your head.
Okay.
You should accept a man that you can give reverence to, you can respect, you can submit to. Inti enya be maybe an or be pel so ba open it just o ma we need that you should be wise but na yeah papa e kanu
pacho mananu nsi na ye ntwa ye ho embra
e wada ma se na me kanu aware no nhihye ye de no a onyankopon de to aware ho enne emma no atwa won ho ene won ho
ekun ne sai ho ntia
Ephesians chapter Ephesians, I think Ephesians chapter 5 verse 22 to 23. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands, as unto the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife. A man is all mean to me.
The man there can no come.
A man is all mean to me.
Okay. But a man there
oh, men are to love.
Okay.
And we keep loving.
As Christ loved the church.
Exactly. So
and
we
gave himself up for the church.
Exactly.
But how many men are loving as Christ? A rather drop the person no would DJ. Yeah, bono. But are the men standing that they are not?
Okay.
I think so. Clarity wise.
Yeah.
Clarity wise.
Some.
So, no, I'm not.
No, I want to correct
Mama Chino endorse some papa.
I'm not even passing proportionate statement. But the person can say,
okay, Me papa.
Mami.
Pacho mo anu 6 seconds mam ni ntwa ye ho ko ja bo afo nkrato.
Me pesa me ka share hands counselor anyanti ase no to ma sem so ne say. Wo hwa aware mu a. The responsibility eda emerima so to love their wives as Christ did for the church. You see, love is something that grows.
Okay.
If you are married to a wife and your wife, okay, let me say sometimes there may be exception.
Okay.
Now we hear you be unim how to perform her duties in accordance with scriptures. Mommy, ubufu said then you will love.
You love. Asemu. Ususu say eya na eye pressure. Anase ho no ho me pese oboaye ho because dodo na mafo na ya ba ye the pressure. Ene ase ahomaso. Ene se no social media ase we koye bia na we ye ni say we koye ye ni say ntimi de me pen kakra bi o onye ready me ware me ase eya be ya de bia eya da ho ususu say
Self counseling you will premarital counseling. Self premarital counseling me think kan you do first entity no mu na ye ka sikasem but de bia me ka say e chesa wo hwe wo ho na wa hwe budget e chesa wo ye ye mfa enamfo bi a ye wo emfa mbu samadamfo ne
ana di bre bia
wo na say namfofo bi a wenya ne associations bi a wo join emfa mbu emfa nkokuru kika because wonim ni pa ko ni bottom na sisi a why dey no once kente kro bi behye bi se begum obeye ene your friend say ketro bekwa akofa ye wambi mo onim say omoje pa obo ohwe TikTok na ohwe sa other social media handles no ohwe se ne ankofo ye
sa sika no nko akwatimi ko China kofa ne ma eba beton
na danfo bi ye bi intimi so eche me so me yes akwana se me ye chen no aware is not about competition enye obi na woni ni kogina eye woni nipa ko na aware no se me yoba me ni me kunu enti ase e wo ye ntem ni it's not just about dana ye be ware no nenso no aware ni se ebedum pempensu bi a nipa foforo betimi hu se oh this is a successful marriage aware ye Yesu aye aware nkofo hu omu se nkofu aware efenti so meware bi so when you want to get married you always tell them say prepare for marriage not just the wedding but bebre na wedding na esi nani so betimi aye glam kama we go be share ne yi no okukruka until when some madam fu ibo be man
makeup ni bi nko a wani mu nko for just 2 days ni timi take utimi tuya be 20,000 Ghana
says no so to me the bibi utimi de to asase utuye bibi intimi de biam ka say wo bakra na ye discussion about finances na wonye wo bia oba na ye bema na onye prudent amema partner no hu wani mu say oba we siro sifa keka na nsem ene ne ntena se na mu nka sika sem enye sa mu kom animu a obetimi ahaw
2% o kire say oba anasa bema ensesa woko ware a wokoje besia anase wodi wani tu bibi so se bi esika bi a wobenya free ma anase bibi ana ho no ye pese
ye nje bosia emfa ware
ne sai huntia because wutimi je besia e de ye dia na che se ya no kure se wutimi je besia so de ware
debi ye nje besia eye ne de eye mpo free mu na abeto ho obi ankasa mi bewu wo ho na say oh we afim nti che say you to me kra na chi na so aware de you plan enye da ba ko ne de ware o
say be an invitation cards no minim say numbers of nipa o maybe me yan pa 500 enti papa say obi e bre me 500 people obi e bre me 500 say me ko de be say 100,000 na minim say me wi menya amana bro so
there be na yes yan fa nipa enye budget enti say wo sua economics economics culture say all things being equal certain parables all things being equal because nipa ye ka say ende wo be share ratio wo beba no na wa share black nipa dwens san inti yemfa nipa nka say 100% inti yemfa owadanfo bi panin bi a wonim no wabusua ni bi obi association bi o wonko bi e mema ma skenti me de kwakwa kukuru ne kese wo de be ha ho wo de be kukuru ne kese no ye ne kitwe bi na fa sesika no fakoto treasure bill fesika no fa ye bibia e de mfasode be ba won say I was saying think about marriage not the wedding ukuku ka de ma wedding no a ebedu marriage no ntimi ntinem wo bejai itam ka say bebre na ye me person kofo hu say me so maware ne kwa na chinwe person if you put yourself
counselor hono me ne wonya adwen no ye me nko amadwen kire esan say utimi je besia na utimi de koye yiye dia utimi je besia etumi de koye business na chese wedding ni say aye business
ana papa na chese wankasa no wadwen wo fom
wo je besia de ware ya
wadwen wo fom
wow papa mpacho bre mama na yem pick calls me do fa o hwe me pacho your telephone number no na screen anim friend na fa wagyenche ebre so na die nsema counselor enim papa kan enti ase
me de men kan hwe
ba me do waka ho me papa
me pacho ayiye aye bobosia e de ye ayiye no senior counselor kan
okay
enye obi na bobosia ye ayiye
oh okay
enye obi na bobosia
se da o se na okopelon na ye bisa so de ko ye yi ana se wo de ko akodidwa na se wo de ko ware
ba won se enimu da se wo de ko ware that enim omu ni bank bi ani san share
bank bi
for funeral
for
funeral
oh okay
but not for marriage bank bi ani odi share ba se bra ba jisika fa ko ware
ene na chese counselor papa se bank bi ani ho no ma obetimi e de ato wo se me ma besia de ye de akwa ware wo so se bi wo ho sa
Dabi wankasa bo.
Wankasa.
Okay. Counselor say.
Okay.
A year dear, a putu pruma dear.
Okay.
And nothing a reservation wo.
But counselor so can say ene na mafo no bebre na timi kwaje besia.
That is the behavior.
Yeah, but counselor just say. Itam say kwaje besia kra de ware a wadwe wo fo.
Okay, bacho yenko.
Na lady, if at your own. The problem behind my bobosia media ware, my bobosia media ye I for chinchina.
Okay.
Medical Casimiro, I say, okay. we have allowed ourselves. Yama young kwine. Ama social behaviors.
Okay.
And I govern yen.
Okay.
Counselor can hear me the pa. Also oko TikTok, oko Instagram, and our Facebook. No ako share. Ehone Google.
Okay.
No afa contact no. Na yama ne bill. Na on na me nan for so. Tell you 20k me. Me yare from we are. Me yare from we are. In the midst of it, no. Send your work no. You have a projection, so obenya gifts, obenya pass. One say, a year kono. So one month sawan, na most of times, when him guasie kakra.
Okay.
A year ye kono. So ukwe ye 1 month sawan, one say, when him guasie.
Na me papa me pacho mi ntwa no sa na wedding engagement ni aware enso se wo ba. Na se anasa woko, na se no so se wanyi bibi e no so ye wani guasie. Oh sa.
Ebi sida.
Ne say hunti am papa.
Sisi ayefra ye koyen chade biom.
So when Nigeria, once a real, when Nigeria, now we come to celebrate with you, but you are mourning.
David, me papa, me pacho mi joa no. Me papa.
Now see gift table, and now we are appeal for fans. You are made mockery of. Yes, no.
Oh, sir.
Of course.
But papa, me say me too. Is menya be me bi no wo be ware me a. Me de eyi be ko. Me start here me invitation cards. Inti say wo ba, make sure say one friendship kura 500 Ghana.
And all the no to chase na mbi gaga no. Se say am prepare. Ayefra ye no. Gone are those days how you 40 me cover MC. No about be fundraising, the pipe balloon be ye won pempen so bi a wudura untimi nye bi o.
Papa ni na say won share TikTok because na wo share TikTok ni social media na de kwa no.
Balloon spy.
Oh, of course. De kwa no.
Ye me count me say. Ye won pempen so bi a bobo aware o krom ha omo so omo ye na classic a wo hu si e pa balu bobo bi cheme
wow
bobo bi cheme
papa me bobo na
e bi ho
Who
okay
pray yes also more gift to the ba
yeah and heavy gift
yeah more heavy gift to the ba yeah
for no ya sama yeah say wo de wo mecha hwe enti say me kwaje be sin ana say me de mani tu be isra I make up
it's the centerpiece. The centerpiece then they say
okay
send your accounts like am ye mobusi am fan ware
eh na say be ma no say me do no e bia me ka say me ne na tena che be 3-4 years 5 years me person ware me do no na papa say ne ho nso a say me timi ko je be sin support no
shawari be course your bible mo Genesis chapter 12
papa me fa cho eni die mu a obeba me ba wa ma pa cho me fa kola hello hi. Hello.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening, Pacho. Udini baby, I will free.
Pacho, your friend me, Auntie Grace, make us free a libo.
Ah, me Pacho a libo for what to say.
Pacho, be a way.
And Chamaba Besram, what's in? I mean, Shramo, and you will dock a see a duke, say, I'm in a diddy me Pacho, I am Cowadaroma.
I'm more discussing, and I'm a person, some chair, my drink like a
yeah, brain into young quay, Medofu.
Me Pacho, I can say. And your class you say to me, a beggar Bosnia de Awari.
Wow.
Obeji Bosnia de Awari, dear, Bosnia no fire business. Now, he can't buy would be a share busian for because our real power. What dear, wouldn't you be a bestie, and I wouldn't be a bed so if you went to me and see an accordion in glass here at the more busian for. He encouraged me, dear, and my encouraging you to meet someone to busian for your day. And for our number, I'm brand year. During the wedding, before and after, now I ran any day to me have them. Yamisha,
also friend, I what gentry. Me bacho one number na me shata re kokko na me down e no na free 05 ahia no na me bacho free what 0244 last number 47 e dey no dey obetimi to wadwen kire e dey afaso messages aba ne akenkan ama mbaba
lady Genesis chapter 24 verse 52 down to 54 Abraham akwa Elisa ekopeyere ama Isaac you see there was a simple marriage that took place over there ne yakofaba no a social behavior say ma ware wie me be classic refreshment wakwa rent premise na we 50,000 Ghana cedis ansa na enkonya betra so bawo
papa na sasa nyema we nyina eda ho mae won sa ware ya de bia e once and for all etimi ya ni nya biem
and this madam
for be betinya ba be ye de achi lidie na chese mani mabuasa
then it means that you are not marrying you are only into competition and you
see die ma so mama papa hello odo e umpacho udini baby ofefi
control me bomi do actually me rock papa
aw
asama amoka
sweet at ma renho
bo business ko worry because of me now for
Jesus
but our marriage will not have the back to my
Papa cho enti e dey see en for so na e ba mu no go see say Papa cho jina baby ye mami wadaro ma wasem na wo kan e me de nti jina baby ye kakra bi mami
Papa cho me ko ba bi sen de worry see our reality in kitchen no more every month in my whole trade fee and I would do 4 years as we saw 3 now much on way some camera who passes come and sending marriage as I take my parents me sisters can maybe to me at that time and so the now and 40 years I'm not me station at the top have me friend no be say any now for say me ko social media you mean to you be changing to ready am me baby am so me ma me na for come from me top pan am patrol make me su ko na no kasa me say no be say if you need some mistake you be for ko better say do no be so you need to baby na me sure ni pa me that
Nyankopon won shira pa papa wan asema na me
enti de se
okoje besia otimi so se modu tini etete no afi beduru bi no high stress ese o chirima e bia wanje kro beje be 100,000 papa e bia na me ka se ka bibisa no kra e bia na be ma no do no once wo do timi kodi obi honom so ho enti no eduru ba bi na se do no kodi ba bi ho na papa went me ankoji loan and I went me ankoji besia fa anko na papa na se ne awutu na se bia sof ma me do abedi wo ho na papa enti wo ba bi obetimi age besia na wakwa warewa ye enti na se o ma wo ko papa
unim ba bi a onti ase no unya nyama yen
okay
ba bi a unya nyama yen ne se odo no a wodo nipa no enkyere se senkon ahoma
yeah
odo no a wodo nipa no eno nkyere se kokko sen okon ahoma
papa wodo bitimi ma wo sen wo ho akonfo
ewe he
odo bit papa na wo hwe social media ya ne obi odo bitimi ma wo ko sen e bia me do papa no me me hwe papa just me hu papa so
that is the key word
okay the name different between love lust and obsession into omo funtuni na from no bonsam so aye no ho na wa ma omani afira into wo bi pa potin no ne wodi nko hu se enyo do na wo do no because Corinthians said train or do awusuo se na eye kind long suffering compassionate nipa onye kind nipa onya long suffering nipa bears all wrong on bear all wrong and you are deep inside don't say adia ya kan say
counselor o pese wo kire say na kire say so obi timi ko bobisia me ho ne hia me na o de be ware be ma na so ba na kire say nipa no onye kind ana counselor
Debbie, you are not kind to yourself. Because Tresem say even love your neighbor as yourself. Debbie. One say marriage is about planning.
Okay.
So if you are not a good planner, you will get married. One share our neighbor for no. What you buy, you must plan. If you are not normal planning. No way cry a bank crying naka, mamfa way come home, say. So you should be somebody who is thoughtful like wise Abigail.
To say leanest foods.
Leanest food. No, oh yeah, no say. Internet David who say Abigail kune one or dear Mikakwaren because she was a wise person.
If I told me about Daruma, so mammy. Hello, Miss Sweetheart.
Bacho, I'm with your program being a master.
If I show young experiences in life, so now we.
Hello, Bacho.
If I show him, do motive no. I watch him hook a crabby and aluano, Nani and Casa. You. I mean, she went to me and also, Papa, Emerald also.
Inti senia na earlier on na make no. Odono nkyere se kunhu. Pacho what you say. And in all things,
Papa, odo be odo lastic.
that is into emotions.
Okay.
Emotions say bia. Okay. In terms of emotional feeling.
Papa bia will be dear yo beman e dear yo atiti bia uko mu a wo yi wo free mu enti sa beman no se wanya no anware na ti kwan bia mefa so a esese sa beman no
na lady aware no wote ase se ma me
papa mpacho so ma me wadaro ma hello
hello
hi papa udin ni baby free Pacho udin ni baby free
Bonjour, madame. I'm Kasafi. I want to swedro.
Me pacho swedro fu nyina ho ye de.
Nyamena do mo ye papa.
Nyame shraw dem hwe Angel TV. Pacho enko wadaroma.
Yo, nyame papa me kan say. Awari asema e wo no. Se obi a wa no kwa ne say o ka no kwa asema e wo mhwe ne onware ya. Nimpa no beka hwe ne say oboa.
Okay.
Last time, na me madam bidding komona me mano example kitwe bi say say wo yi top money ato table so say wo kwa adwuma ba. Wo ba no ba na no aduane o. And the reason see how dem say one aduane so say bi flimsy reason bi a enhye dan ni ngina so bia. Na o say me no dey say wo ba no aduane na wo kwakoto aduane. Na ka tell me say o ba wa wo dey wo ye den say wo no aduane.
Okay.
And we no question of we say yen sedan na fi ensua wore no mu yi no kwan say wo bobesia e di warrior minim ni ayesuku kwa kom ni ayesu na mekori but ni akaka minim ni say mistake because aware no ni ewu mu e go so papa inti counselors are more counsel ha me ware no omuma concentration and go into deep ewo aware no thing where the na ye be no
okay
nyame
shapa yedasipa papa ntino ono so ne die no
going forward no
baby papa me ntwa wan mesa mo meba ho baby na wa show baby nurse na so be ana se fa so ba na show nurse ana se adwuma bi a school bi na wawi na papa eso ware oba no eni e ma nkoyi but oba no so ope no oboafo so bie ni baby papa wo be support wa mo ware oba no enti papa nya besia na abegina de besia ne de ho de ho ehia me pa because bia na me so enche me koji bia ko
ye se counselor be di madansia
okay
I will say after marriage
okay
your renewal of vows
okay
some people can start marriage so poor
okay
but what I say ebia kiosk mu and omokoye omo engagement and omo be die
okay
and omo that kiosk mu and omo timi akọ rent single room and omo free single room and omo akọ chamber hall and out of the chamber hall na fi business boom we and omo timi to asase
aje so omo free ba ko ansa na omo ko
and omo si omo fee
okay
and omo si omo fee wi ye no omo timi be shops afi sikaba and our already 20 years
okay
omo timi make us a renewal of vows and if indeed promises are there. This is when you express gratitude.
Okay.
Ano onye obi sika o. Eye o kofe se da ho. Eno so no when you are spending enye enam na wo yama na kwaka dompe excess.
Okay.
Wanya egu ho. Enti in recent time na me hwe program. Otiti ba ko pa krom ha na o renew vow with my wife. Na o hwe omma. Send you more drew. Not the back on one bank as
the best man.
Thank you.
Wow. And when you go there, you see the love.
Thank you.
Those you know, who say or don't want Gina so baby.
It was a stream.
TNGC,
it was a stream.
And far and
Baba Akoye bank manager.
Me ba so mami hare.
Ne Baba Ako talk ama. Ne parents. Very decent, you see. Enti lady on me do me pel beautiful but your own so yenye ne ahodi betumi let's partner yembo brand nko yanim as we attain the altitude you say now your strength are you good at that peak we can be there for each other that is why we talk about renewal of vows